Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2006 utility 45 foot by 102 aluminum combo with wood deck. Folks, this unit has a beautiful aluminum headache rack. Kingpin plate's been replaced, and folks, this thing has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As you can see, the wood deck is in excellent condition. Beautiful headache rack on this unit. As we come back here, on the passenger side is a brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the beams have been put into excellent condition. We get back to the rear here, folks. As you can see, we have a refurb steel rim, all new tires all the way around on this unit. This unit does have brand new brake pads on the drums and 80% or better drums. Folks, as you can see, the back end of this unit is converted to a universal mounting kit. Will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. As we come to the driver's side, you can see we have ratchet straps, brand new straps on all of our units, trucks and trailers. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Visit our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call, take a look at our trucks, trailers, and forklifts that are available for sale. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.